Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for rocking with me. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's get cooking. Today I will show you how to make this Cajun pasta with bacon bits. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below. Make sure you cook your noodles according to the package directions. First, in a skillet, cook your chopped bacon till it's lightly browned. Then drain half the fat. Add some chopped carrots and green bell peppers. Cook this 2 to 4 minutes, and then add chopped garlic and drained kernel corn. Stir and then add your seasonings. Here I'm using 2 kinds. Again, I'll leave all the measurements in the description box below. Feel free to season this to your desired taste. Add some red pepper flakes, as little or as much as you want. Then add some paprika. Mix completely, and then the heavy cream goes in. Stir this, cover, and let it simmer about 4 to 6 minutes. Add your cooked noodles. Stir till all the sauce and noodles are combined. Lower your heat and then add your parmesan cheese. Once the sauce thickens, your food is ready to eat. Sprinkle with some pepper flakes and parmesan cheese and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.